Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tech with Nat, and today we're gonna be talking about all about TikTok for business. If you are new to the channel, hey girl, this channel is for all my entrepreneurs who like to do ish themselves. Okay, we spill the business tea for free. Period. So let's jump straight into this video and let me show you guys how to get this $300 boo. So first thing first, you either want to create an account, or if you have one already, just log in. I have one already, so I'm just gonna log in. Alright, so once you log in, you're gonna see this dashboard. So what you're gonna do is go to account info. And then you are going to scroll down. You're gonna have to put in your business information here, and if you scroll down some more, you're gonna see business verification. So I already filled this out. You're not gonna see like my personal information or whatever, but you have to have an EIN or business verification ID number in order to get the $300 credit. So once you put in your legal name of your business, your phone number, and that EIN, and your name of the legal representative, if you don't have one, I just put myself as one, and I was good to go. So once you submit that information, they're gonna email you right away saying that your business verification was declined. Yeah, I got that email and I was like, what? Like, I didn't even do anything. But basically after 5 minutes after, they emailed me again and said it was approved. So I didn't have to like upload any additional documents or anything, so don't do that. But once your business verification has been approved, you will then go back to your dashboard and then you will click on this heart thing right here, and then it would have these check marks. So once you put in your account information, put in your business verification information, and then you're gonna add a payment verification as well. So once you do those three things, you'll be able to see your $300 in the account. So if you go back now to payment, and then your balance should say $300. I additionally had already add $25 in there, so that's why mine say $325. But yeah, so it's super quick and easy. And also one thing I forgot to mention is so when your $300 run out, how much ever money that you put into TikTok will give you that back. So say if you spend $2,000 on TikTok will give that $2,000 back with you. So that's definitely it. And then let me know if you guys want me to do another video where we can be talking about like how to create a TikTok campaign on here and how to install the TikTok pixel on your website. That is important too. But thank you guys for watching this very short video. Let me know if it helped y'all, girl. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.